AI won't take developers' jobs, but a developer who knows how to use AI will. Welcome to Startup Hack. I'm Spencer Tomlinson, and here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as to build custom software solutions for companies. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO with over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development. I've mastered the art of transforming technology, teams, and products. So let's dive into why AI won't take developers' jobs, but a developer who knows how to use AI will excel. So recently, I was talking about AI, and I got this comment, which, by the way, I love getting comments. So make sure that you make great comments because I love having good, healthy discussions. So somebody said, AI took my job, ... to the next level. I love this. I definitely gave it a fist bump in the comment. First off, definitely make sure you comment to the videos because I love hearing your feedback. Next, this developer clearly gets what I'm talking about with the role that AI will play for developers. Here are 5 things to remember about the role that AI will play for a developer over the coming years. Now, the role of AI in software development is changing. AI is revolutionizing many industries, and software development is no exception. However, AI is not here to replace developers, but to augment their abilities. By automating repetitive tasks, AI free up developers to focus on more complex and creative aspects of their work. Think of AI as a powerful tool in a developer's toolkit, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Now, AI enhances a developer's productivity. With all the AI-powered tools, developers can write, debug, and optimize code more efficiently. Tools like code autocompleters and intelligent debuggers save time and reduce errors. These advancements allow developers to focus on designing robust software architectures and solving intricate problems. Embracing AI in the development process leads to faster turnaround times and higher quality software because it'll help you produce less bugs. AI and continuous learning are an important role. The tech industry is ever evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends and tools is critical. AI can assist developers in continuous learning by recommending relevant sources, tutorials, and documentation. This personalized learning experience ensures that developers remain at the forefront of technology. A developer who leverages AI for learning can quickly adapt to new technologies and methodologies. And that goes right into AI in collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration and communication are vital in software development. AI-powered project management and communication tools streamline workflows and enhance team collaboration. From automating meeting summaries to intelligent project tracking, AI ensures that everyone is on the same page. This leads to more efficient project execution and cohesive development process. Now, the future of AI and software development go hand in hand. As AI continues to evolve, it will unlock new possibilities in software development. Developers who harness the power of AI will be better equipped to tackle complex challenges and innovate. Rather than fearing AI as a job threat, developers should embrace it as a catalyst for growth and transformation. The future belongs to those who integrate AI seamlessly into their development workflows. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I'd love to have a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at Startup Hack, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps. So reach out because we'd love to help you. If you want to learn to code, we can largely get most people applied for through the government and help get your tuition covered. So check out startuphack.com and reach us at info@startuphack.com because we'd love to help you out. And we'll catch you guys next time.